Our next step in working with the 10 frames is we want to show the connection between 10 frames and number lines. And the way we do that is we actually then eventually take our 10 frame and we divide up our number like this. So we can see the number 7 is 5 plus 2 more. And then I'm going to use a different set of tools, but you'll hopefully see the connection with the 10 frame. So the 10 frame looks like this. And then we eventually move it so that it looks like this. And the reason we want to have, I'm just going to move this back. It's all right, I don't have video production. Here we go. So we end up with a row of 10. And we immediately want the child to be able to see it's still the same. If I have 7, I need 3 more to make a 10. If I have 4, I need 6 more to make a 10. I have 2, I need 8 more to make a 10. Children will have to practice it looking like this and looking and having it with the numbers. They don't automatically transfer that skill, so it is a step you have to practice in between. And then what we do is we add the second row. And you can see it's actually going to produce a hundreds chart if we would keep adding rows, and they can see the pattern in the hundreds chart. What we do here is we start talking about our place value table. And I know it was a little cut off in the last video, so I'll try and draw it where it's visible this time. These are our ones, these are our tens, and these are our hundreds. So in this row here, we don't yet have a group of 10. So there's technically a 0 in here that doesn't show up. But we do have the digits 1 to 9. As soon as we get to this 9, if we add another, we're going to have one group of 10 and 0 ones. That's this number here. But as soon as we come down a row, you can see that we have a group of 10. That's what this number here indicates. We have a full group of 10. And then this is adding the additional ones from our 10 frames before. So this would be the number 12, meaning we have one whole row of 10 plus 2 more. So tying this together is incredibly important so kids get the abstract information from this place value table, and they're connecting it to concrete things they've studied before when they've been working with the manipulatives with the groups of 10. Here you can see if they're starting to establish the skill, they'll know immediately that we have, if we have 12, I need 8 more to make 20. And they practice that skill previously. But I also want them to see the pattern that if I have 2, I need 8 more to make 10. If I have 12, I need 8 more to make 20. If I have 22, I need 8 more to make 30. If I have 32, I need 8 more to make 40. And that pattern continues forever, okay? They actually listen to a song that says the pattern never ends. So this is a very important pattern to establish so that they're able to add quickly in their heads. So for example, they should know that 15, if I add 7 to it, that's a 5 plus 2 more, I'm gonna end up at 22.